In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record cashback as an income transaction and categorize it properly. Cashback from credit card purchases or rewards programs can seem like a small bonus that requires little attention, but tracking these accurately ensures you have a clear picture of your finances. Let's go through the process thoroughly so you can handle cashback transactions confidently. First, you want to recognize cashback as an income because, in essence, it's a form of earning that comes from spending, and recording this accurately is important for a complete overview of your financial situation. While it may not be your primary source of income, every bit counts, and documenting these small amounts can add up over time. Now, when you receive cashback, it typically appears as a credit in your account or directly applied to your credit card statement. What you need to do is log this cashback as an income entry in your financial system or budgeting tool. This could be an app, a spreadsheet, or any other financial software you might be using. By viewing it this way, you're able to track how much you're earning back from your spending habits. It's crucial to categorize this income correctly. Choosing the right category can help you identify patterns in your cash flow. An appropriate category for this type of transaction is typically labeled as other income or miscellaneous income. Some financial tracking systems even have a specific category for cashback or rewards. This categorization not only keeps your books organized, but also allows you to see what percentage of your overall income comes from these reward systems. Don't forget, transparency in your financial records is vital, especially if you ever need to refer back to past transactions. It neatly ties into how you manage your cash flow, helping you to better understand and optimize your spending and saving habits. In summary, although it might seem like a small detail, recording cashback as an income and categorizing it appropriately gives you a fuller picture of your finances. It's a healthy habit to adopt that can provide insights into your spending behavior and potential savings. Maintaining transparency and consistency with these records ensures you're not overlooking small gains that add up over time. I hope this guide helps you better manage your financial records and provides clarity on handling cashback transactions. By maintaining well-organized records, you not only streamline your financial management, but also prepare yourself for a more informed look at your budgeting and spending strategies. Remember, keeping tabs on the little things can make a big difference. Thank you for watching, and happy budgeting!